Shalom, fam. I'm Moray, Jaden Israel. Happy Feast of Booths. Excuse me. Chag, Sukkot, Sameach. That's right. I hope that you are having a great time celebrating this holy time. I'm celebrating Sukkot in a canopy. This is a canopy, family. That's right. Use what you got. If you have a canopy, as my friend like to say, a canopy. If you have a canopy, if you have a tent, if you're going to make a hut, if you're going to make a booth, go right ahead. Let's be creative and let's have fun. Let's make it fun for our children. Let's make it fun for our congregation. If you are celebrating Sukkot with your congregation, let's have a great time. There's so much we can do on this day, family. So much. For example, I'm at the park. As you can see, there's games going on. You got the baseball. Sorry if I'm making you sick, family. I'll turn slower. My bad. You got the basketball. Oh, don't get me on the court. I'm Chef Curry with the shot, boy. Don't leave me open. And I will take you to the house. Don't let this light skin fool you now. I think that's swimming over there. I think so. You got the swings. So I'm at the park. You can celebrate Sukkot in your backyard. You can celebrate Sukkot at the camping spot. That's right. Black people do like to camp. Don't let that stereotype deceive you. Now, I don't like camping. I was gonna keep it a buck. I can't stand it. If we were in the wilderness right now, I'd be the first to go. I'll be complaining. I'll be yelling, help me please, help me please. And the mosquitoes, boy, they love biting me. I don't know what it is. I'm always getting mosquito bites. The times that I went camping, they tore me up. But I'm just giving you some ideas, family, on how you can celebrate Sukkot. Sukkot, the Feast of Booths, aka Tabernacles, aka Shelters. Nobody calls it that. Fam, do you call this day the Feast of Shelters? I've never heard nobody ever call this day the Feast of Shelters. As a former Christian, I barely even heard the phrase Feast of Tabernacles, of Booths, or Shelters, or Sukkot. I couldn't give you heads or tails. I couldn't tell you. I didn't have a clue what Sukkot meant as a former Christian. But this is a great time, family. Let's make it fun for our family, for our children, for our friends, for our cousins. Yeah, that's right. I said them cousins. Them same cousins that you grew up fighting and beating up and schooling on the court. Hey, I got a witness. I love you, cousin. If you're listening, you know who you are. I used to school you, though. Until you grew. until you grew. But if you're taller than me, I'll still take you to the hole. I will still dunk on you. Okay, I'm not gonna dunk on you. Or will I? Don't let this light skin fool you now. I promise you, family, I did not get started yet. But I am prepared. Hey, I am prepared. Now don't judge my bag. Don't judge your boy. Look, it's got bacon. Ooh, Jaden is backsliding. I knew that boy was full of it. Family, it's just a bag. It's just a bag, okay? Cut me some slack. Bros, we so harsh on each other. This bag is from Grocery Outlet. I don't know if you have a grocery outlet in your neighborhood, but hey, it serves the purpose, and I'm not religious. Just because it got bacon on the bag don't mean I'm not gonna use it. You feel me? Even though that do look crazy though. I got this kufi on and this bag got bacon. Some things just do not match. Look, this don't match, family. This does not match at all. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, that's right. Thinking about drinking. Responsibly, that is. Responsibly. Check it. We could drink responsibly on the feast days. We could get tipsy. Absolutely. We have freedom in the Torah to get tipsy on Sukkot. And if your chief priest, sour face, disagrees, send him my way. Out of love and respect, I'll be happy to share with him that we have freedom in the Torah. Living Torah is not a prison sentence. Let me repeat that. Living Torah is not a prison sentence. We have so much freedom. I am so glad to be in the awakening. I am so happy that you are in the awakening. I am so happy that you woke up to knowledge yourself, that you embrace your culture, and that you love the Most High. You love your neighbor, which includes the Israelite and the stranger, and you love yourselves. Check it. Let's make Sukkot attractive. When we set up, let's turn heads. Let's blast our music. Some things will never change. We Israelites and we black. Talk to me. Oh, we gonna blast our music. Bring out your speakers and blast praise music. Turn them heads. They're gonna be like, ooh, what is that? I slap. What is that? We gotta turn heads, family. Let's bring out the grill. Let's get down with the barbecue. Let's turn them heads. They're gonna be like, hey, that smells good. Is that pork? That pork? And guess what? It ain't poke. Let's do that, family. Let's make our culture attractive to our people and to all people. Remember, we're the light of the world. We are the salt of the world because we got so much flavor. Talk to me. Talk to me. Let's make sure we come out and we represent for the kingdom of Yah. As you can see, I'm dressed the part. I got my kippah on, my kufi. Let's turn them heads. They can be like, oh, what they wearing? They got on zits and fringes. I got on my zits, family. I got on my chain, my Yod Hey Wild Hey shirt, representing. You know how we do it. Oh, I like their fashion. They different. You gotta make an impression on them, family. Not just to show off, but to represent that we are the children of Yahuwah, of Yahweh, of Yahweh, of Yahuwah. All glory to our great King. Let's make it fun. Let's celebrate Sukkot with our family, our children, our friends, our extended family, and even them in-laws. That's right. You can celebrate with them in-laws as well. It might be a difficult task. You might have an uphill battle, but it can be done. Through Yah, all things are possible. Even celebrating Sukkot with in-laws. Any chance I could throw a joke, I might just take that risk. This is a great time, family. This is a great time. Also, if you have a local congregation, celebrate it with your congregation. And just spend a little bit of time. Celebrate Sukkot for 7 days. You don't gotta be there all day now. You don't gotta be under the tent all day. or under the canopy, or the booth that you made yourself, you can spend a few minutes reading the word, meditating, praying, writing, drawing. There's so much to do, family, so much. Being creative is easy for us. For melanated folk, it's easy for us to be creative. This is a great time. I hope that you dwell in your booth for 7 days, spend a little bit of time, and remember that this day is our Thanksgiving. This day is way better than Thanksgiving. Check it. Sukkot was originally called the Feast of Ingathering. Sukkot is our Thanksgiving. All praises, all glory, all kavod to our great King. Happy Feast of Sukkot. Happy Feast of Sukkot. Happy Feast of Booths. Chag Sameach. Chag Sukkot Sameach. Let's say it 3 times, family. Ready? Chag Sukkot Sameach. Come on, you gotta say it like you mean it, family. You gotta mean it. You know what day it is, don't you? You know what today is, right? It's Chag Sukkot Sameach. Let's say it 3 times. Chag Sukkot Sameach. Chag Sukkot Sameach. One more time. Chag Sukkot Sameach. All praises to Yah. I'm Moray, Jaden Israel. Until next time. Shalom, fam.